Huckleberries has a very extensive freezer section, like big. So really you can find pretty much anything you're looking for in here. Gluten-free pizza. These are not necessarily my favorite brands, but it's something if you don't have a Costco membership, that's something that you can fall back on, because I personally find the Sabatasso's pizza to be the best gluten-free there is. So you've got pizza. These Tre Latin foods, these pupusas, those are actually really good. I enjoy those. They have a really good selection of those here. Got Amy's, as I mentioned before, does have a bunch of gluten-free foods, but not all of her foods are gluten-free, so you do have to be careful. Gluten-free-na is always gluten-free. See my reflection. Woohoo! Udi's, go-to food. You see Udi's, you know it's safe. And Hillary's also, I noticed, has had is a brand that I've been finding more often. More Amy's. I am a big fan of the Halo Top. It is one of those foods that you do need to check because not all flavors are gluten-free, but they're low carb, high protein, low calorie, and you can actually sit and eat an entire pint and not want to kill yourself afterwards because you shouldn't have done it. So anyway, that's a good brand.